In this video, we will learn about test of divisibility. Whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9 or 10 or not. So, we should not take care about the digits of the number. Whether the number is of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit or 10 digit. We have to apply the same rule for every number. So, it is better to learn the concept of number. So the first thing is test of divisibility by 2. For checking the divisibility by 2, we should check the unit place of the number. Unit place means ones place. So if the unit place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. For example, I can show you 48. 8 is ones place number in 48. And as you can see, 8 is also there is in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So you can say that 48 is divisible by 2. Let's check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So we have to divide this 48 by 2. We can simply divide it by division method, long division method. So 2 2s are 4 and this 8 we have to write here, 2 4s are 8. It means it is divisible by 2. Again I can show you with another number which is not even number, means which is odd number. So I can write here 157. You can check ones place of the number. Ones place of the number is 7 and 7 is not there in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So you can say that this number is not divisible by 2. And also you can say if the number is even, it can be divided by 2, and if the number is odd, it cannot be divided by 2. So test of divisibility, for checking the test of divisibility, you can say if the number is even, it can be divided by 2 or divisible by 2, and if the number is odd, it cannot be divided by 2. Now test of divisibility by 3. For checking the divisibility test of 3, you have to add sum of the digit. You have to add all the digits. So first you have to add all the digits, and then after you have checked that whether the sum of the digits are divisible by 3 or not. If sum of the digits are divisible by 3, then you can say the digit is the given number is divisible by 3. So one example I can show you, 148. In 148 we will simply add all the digits, 1 plus 4 plus 8. So 1 plus 4 plus 8 will be 13, and 13 cannot be divided by 3. So we can say 148 is not divisible by 3. Another example I can show you, 156. So in 156 we will add all the number 1 plus 5 plus 6. 1 plus 5 plus 6 will be 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So we can say this number can be divided by 3. So for checking the divisibility test of 3, we have to add all the digits of the given number. Now for checking the divisibility test of 5, we are simply checking the unit place of the number. If at unit place 0 and 5 is there, then the number is divisible by 5. And if any other number is there except 0 and 5, then the number is not divisible by 5. So if I am writing here some of the example, 45, 93, 168, 240. So we have to check which of the following numbers are divisible by 5. So in 45, ones place is 5. So you can say at ones place 5 number is there. So you can say 45 is divisible by 5. In 93 at ones place 3 is there. So you can say 93 cannot be divided by 5. So 93 is not divisible by 5. Now 168 at ones place, you can see 8 is there. So 168 is also not divisible by 5. And in 240 at ones place 0 is there. So you can say this number is divisible by 5. So for checking the concept of 5, we are simply checking whether your ones place number is 0 or 5 or not. If the number is 0 or 5, then you can say it is divisible by 5. Now for checking the divisibility test of 9, we are simply adding the digit. If sum of the digit is divisible by 3, if sum of the digit is divisible by if sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then you can say the number is divisible by 9 as it is in 3. So suppose here I am writing sum of the example. Here also we have to add sum of the digit. Sum of the digit must be divided by the given number or 9. So I am writing here 198. After adding 198, we will add 1 plus 9 plus 8 will be 18. So 18 can be divided by 9. You can say yes, 198 is divisible by 9. So for checking the concept of 9, we are simply adding the digits, and then after we are checking whether the sum is divisible by 9 or not. And for checking the divisibility test of 10, it is very simple. We have to check unit place of the digit. If at unit place 0 is there, then the number must be divided by 10, and you can say it is divisible by 10. For example, I am writing 10, 20, 30, 100, 900 and 248. So in all these number we can divide 10, 20, 30, 100, 900, but we cannot divide 248 because in all the digits at unit place you can see 0 is there, but in 248 at unit place 8 is there. So 8 cannot be divided by 10. So we can say for checking the divisibility test of 10, we are simply checking the unit place of the number.